Imagine this. You stumble upon a secret, a simple, powerful secret that has the potential to transform your life in just 1 week. Wouldn't you stay to discover it? What if I told you that in 7 days, you could wake up feeling lighter, more joyful, and fully aligned with the life of your dreams? This is not a fantasy. It's a reality waiting for you. In this audiobook, I will reveal 3 life-changing habits, rooted in the teachings of Neville Goddard, that can alter the trajectory of your life in just 7 days. These habits are simple, yet their power lies in your ability to commit to them with belief and consistency. So, are you ready? Let's dive in. Chapter 1. The Power of Nighttime. Imagination. Every night as you drift off to sleep, you pass through a doorway, a gateway to your subconscious mind. In those fleeting moments between wakefulness and slumber, your mind becomes a fertile garden, ready to receive the seeds of your desires. This is what Neville Goddard called the state akin to sleep. And this is where our first habit begins. Here's what you do. Tonight, before you close your eyes, enter a relaxed state. Take a few deep breaths and let go of the day's worries. Now imagine, not with a fleeting thought, but with vivid, sensory-rich imagery. Create a mental scene in which your deepest desire has already come true. Let's say you long for financial freedom. Picture yourself in a home you adore, surrounded by the beauty and abundance that wealth brings. Feel the soft texture of the couch beneath you, hear the laughter of loved ones echoing through the halls, and sense the pride swelling in your chest as you check your overflowing bank account. Stay in this scene. Feel it. Believe it. This is not idle daydreaming, it's creation. Neville taught that your imagination is God within you, the ultimate creator. When you fall asleep with this vivid scene in your mind, you impress it upon your subconscious. And the subconscious, like an unfailing servant, begins to manifest it into your reality. Do this every night for 7 days. Watch how the world around you begins to shift. Coincidences will occur, opportunities will arise, and you'll realize these are not coincidences at all. They are the fruits of your imagination. Chapter 2. The Magic of Affirmations. Words have power. The words you speak, especially the words you repeat, shape your identity, your actions, and ultimately, your reality. This is why affirmations are the second transformative habit. Here's the secret. Your subconscious mind doesn't distinguish between truth and fiction. It simply absorbs whatever you consistently feed it. If you tell yourself, "I'm not good enough," your subconscious believes you and manifests situations that reinforce that belief. But if you declare, "I am healthy, wealthy, and loved," it will begin to align your actions and circumstances to make it true. So here's what you do. Throughout your day, repeat affirmations that align with your desired state. Be bold and unapologetic. Say things like, "I am deserving of all good things. Money flows to me easily and abundantly. I am confident, capable, and unstoppable." Speak these affirmations aloud if you can, or say them silently in your mind. The key is to feel their truth as you say them. Imagine how you'd feel if these statements were undeniably true. That feeling is what activates the power of the affirmation. Here's a pro tip. Write your affirmations on sticky notes and place them where you'll see them frequently. Your bathroom mirror, your car dashboard, your computer screen. Let these words become the soundtrack of your life for the next 7 days. You might feel silly at first. That's okay. But keep going. By the end of the week, you'll notice a shift. Your thoughts will naturally gravitate toward positivity, and you'll begin to see evidence of your affirmations materializing in your life. Chapter 3. Living from the end now. Let's talk about the third habit. A habit so profound, it's the cornerstone of Neville Goddard's teachings. Living from the end. What does it mean to live from the end? It means embodying the mindset, emotions, and behaviors of someone who already has what they desire. It's not about hoping or wishing. It's about knowing. It's about stepping into the version of yourself who has already achieved your goal. Let's use an example. Imagine you want to find your dream partner. Living from the end doesn't mean longing for them. It means acting as though they're already a part of your life. How would you carry yourself if you were already in the loving relationship you desire? Perhaps you'd walk with more confidence, exude happiness, and create space in your life for them. Do those things now. Feel the joy now. When you embody the energy of already having what you want, you magnetize it to you. For the next 7 days, practice living from the end. Whatever your desire is, wealth, health, love, ask yourself, how would I think, feel, and act if this were already true? Then do those things. Think those thoughts. Feel those feelings. Here's where the magic happens. Your brain and subconscious cannot tell the difference between a vividly imagined reality and the physical one. By living from the end, you rewire your brain to accept your desire as fact. And once your brain believes it, your external world will follow suit. Conclusion: your new reality awaits. So here you are. 3 simple habits. Visualizing your desired outcome before sleep. Affirming your new reality consistently. Living from the end as though your dream is already here. None of these require years of practice or hours of effort. All they demand is your commitment, your belief, and a willingness to let go of doubt. As you embark on this 7-day journey, remember this: the life you desire is not far away. It is already within you, waiting to be claimed. Neville Goddard said it best: assume the feeling of your wish fulfilled, and it must be yours. Are you ready to claim it? Then let's begin. Tonight, as you close your eyes, step into your imagination and create your new reality. Speak your affirmations boldly and walk through your days as the person who already has everything they've ever wanted. In 7 days, your world will look different. In 7 days, you will be different. And it all starts now. Save this video so you can come back to share your success story. If you haven't already, make sure to hit the thumbs up and like button. Comment below, let us know where you guys have tuned in from. And finally, if you're new to this channel and you haven't already, remember to hit that subscribe button because this year, we are dedicated to making videos to hold you accountable to make your best year yet.